I mean, what do you call it? What do you want to call it? This thing is just a favorite, folks, and I like my little homemade little grabbers. They're nice. They work out pretty good. And so does this one. If you're curious on how this works, this is a bevel right here. And all it does is I have them lined up like that, and when the bevel comes around, it pushes that forward, and it just puts half-inch push on it, and that's all you want, just like a half-inch. Works pretty well, folks. A lot of you are like, hey, wait, what is that? But that's all it is. A couple offset bolts and a bevel. One can be straight. And a hook. Easy as pie. I really want to cut a log now, folks. Let's do it. Well, it's very overcast today, folks. I would like to... I don't know if I'm even going to worry about it on this log right here. On putting a string on it, I'm not worried about it. It's fence. It's fence slats, folks. You don't have to worry about much when it's fence slats. But folks, the fire is nice and staying warm. Grab some of these odd ones that aren't going to make it to the fire sale. I mean the firewood sale. Most of them are all cut for little bitty fireplaces. See, this one isn't going to make it. All right, folks, I'm going to get her all fired up and warmed up, and let's do some slats out of this. Make it slats.